How to make a poll on Telegram. Start by opening up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any group chat from here. Then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the attachment icon beside the message box. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll over here to send it in the chat. Now, tap on the poll icon at the bottom. Here, you can add the poll options. You can add more options if you want. After that, type in your poll question at the top. Now, scroll down to manage the poll settings. For example, you can choose to turn on or turn off anonymous voting, multiple answers, and quiz mode. Note that polls in quiz mode have one correct answer and users can't revoke their answers. Once you're done, tap on Send at the top. You have now successfully sent a poll to this chat. Following these steps, you can easily make a poll on Telegram.